Good afternoon, everyone. Well, thank you, Wes. Thank you, Alert WX. I would like to look at the time, please. Thank you. Today is Tuesday, May 19th, 2026 at 13:29, and we do have our Day 2 outlook to look at for tomorrow. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So tomorrow we have a slight risk that encompasses southern Texas, and we have a marginal risk that encompasses southern to southwestern Texas, I guess you would say it, and southeastern New Mexico. We have another marginal risk that encompasses parts of eastern Kentucky, much of Virginia, much of West Virginia, all of Maryland, D.C., Washington, D.C., southeastern Pennsylvania, all of Delaware, all of New Jersey, and parts of southern New York State, including New York City, parts of most of Massachusetts, all of Rhode Island, and Connecticut, and parts of southern Massachusetts. So we do have those areas under a marginal risk for tomorrow. So let's go ahead and see what we've got. We have Del Rio and Eagle Pass under the slight, and New York, Philadelphia, Baltimore, Boston, and Washington, D.C. having the marginal risk. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for tomorrow. No tornado risk for tomorrow, so that's very good to see. We have a 5% wind risk that encompasses parts of southern Texas and extreme southeastern New Mexico. And we have another one over here that encompasses eastern Kentucky, much of Virginia, much of West Virginia, much of Maryland, all of Maryland, all of Delaware, all of New Jersey, southeastern and southern Pennsylvania, Washington, D.C., southern New York State, including New York City, most of Connecticut, all of Rhode Island, and southern to central Massachusetts. So we do have those areas under a 5%. So we have New York, Philadelphia, Baltimore, Boston, and Washington, D.C. having the 5%. So we could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible in the 5% area tomorrow. Going into the hail threat for tomorrow, we have a 15% hatch encompassing southern Texas. We have a 5% hatch that encompasses extreme southeastern New Mexico and southern Texas. And we have a 5% normal that encompasses central western Texas and southeastern New Mexico. We also have a 5% over here that encompasses eastern Kentucky, much of Virginia, much of West Virginia, all of Maryland, Washington, D.C., southern and southeastern Pennsylvania, all of Delaware, all of New Jersey, southern New York State, including New York City, most of Connecticut, all of Rhode Island, and southern and central Massachusetts. We do have those areas under a 5%. So we have Midland, Odessa, San Angelo, Del Rio, and Hobbs under the significant severe, Del Rio and Eagle Pass under the 15%, and New York, Philadelphia, Baltimore, Boston, and Washington, D.C. under the 5%. So for the 15% hatched area, we could see 3.5-inch diameter hail possible tomorrow. 5% hatch, we could see up to 2.5-inch diameter hail possible tomorrow. And 5% normal, we could see 1 to 2-inch diameter hail possible tomorrow. So please be mindful of that. Going into the summary for tomorrow, it says isolated to widely scattered severe storms are expected Wednesday afternoon into night across portions of southwest Texas into eastern New Mexico. Large hail, potentially in excess of 2 inches, will be the predominant severe weather hazard. Isolated occurrences of severe wind and or marginally severe hail are expected Wednesday afternoon into the early evening from the Cumberland Plateau into mid-Atlantic and southern New England. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. There's your Day 2 outlook. There's tomorrow's hail risk. There's tomorrow's wind risk. No tornado risk for tomorrow, so that's very good to see. And there's tomorrow's Day 2 outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. Yes, even if you are under a marginal risk, you still want to remain weather aware and safe, as you never know what these storms could do. Anyway, I do really hope that you have a great rest of your day. Take today to prepare for tomorrow, and I will go over this outlook again tomorrow morning when this becomes Day 1. Hopefully I have Wi-Fi by then. Anyway, have a good rest of your day, and stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.